Welcome! If you want to enable third-party sign-in permissions on the Instagram app using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Instagram update, managing your connections and permissions is easier than ever. Follow along as we walk through each step to allow third-party sign-in on your account. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to adjust these settings. At the top of your Instagram page, you'll see 3 dots. Click on them. This opens up a menu where you can access more options for your account. From this menu, select App Info. This will take you to a new page where you can find all the details and settings related to your Instagram application. Next, look for the Settings section and click to enter. Here, you'll find a range of options to customize and manage your Instagram experience. Now, scroll down and select More Settings and Permissions. This section gives you greater control over what apps and services can interact with your Instagram account. Within these settings, find the option labeled Third-Party Sign-In. Right next to it, you'll see a toggle or drop-down menu. Choose Allow to enable third-party apps and services to sign in or connect with your Instagram account. That's it. You've successfully enabled third-party sign-in permissions on your Instagram app from your PC. This allows you to connect trusted apps and services, making your Instagram experience more flexible and integrated. Remember, it's important to review which third-party apps you grant access to. Only allow trusted services to connect to your account, and regularly check your permissions to keep your information secure. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to stay updated with the latest Instagram features, and always keep your app updated for the best experience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your enhanced Instagram connectivity.